Heart sound assessments, your anatomical landmarks, to listen to your valve closures. Your aortic valve is going to be located on the right side of the heart, second intercostal space down. Your pulmonic valve is located on the left side of the heart, second intercostal space down. And then when you are going to listen to your tricuspid, this is the fourth intercostal space, and moving over to the mitral valve or your apex, this is the fifth intercostal space, mid-calvicular line. You listen to this for 1 full minute. Follow me for more cardiology tips. Have a great day. CardioShots.